Live streaming is one of the fastest growing industries out there, and that's by no accident. Today, individuals and companies live stream games, concerts, product launches, podcasts, talk shows, and much, much more. The reasons are quite simple. Live streaming is the most engaging way to connect with your audience. Pre-made videos can look professional and be informative and also be entertaining, but they create a barrier between you and the viewer. Live streaming literally breaks that barrier so your audience can have that direct connection with you. Live streaming also gives your audience the ability to interact with you in real time, chat with other members of your community, and ask questions that you can respond to. It's no wonder that live streaming is taking over as a juggernaut. Live streaming has that special ingredient that allows content creators and viewers to connect, and that's better than any other medium at the moment. Live streaming may seem difficult if you're a new streamer. You have new microphones, cameras, computers, lighting equipment, and slow internet can all hamper someone from live streaming. But at Melon, we have removed all the initial barriers to live stream and made it easier than ever before to connect with your audience. There's no software to download. We handle the majority of the computing process and will be able to provide you with all the other tools you need to get started, like adding friends to your stream and multi-streaming. Live streaming is also a great way to expand your audience. Millions of viewers regularly watch live streams that could now have the potential to become part of your audience. To get started live streaming today so you can engage and connect with new audience members out there, I'm gonna do you a favor and put a couple of videos here up on screen that's gonna show you how to use Melon to the best of your ability so that way you can start live streaming right away. Until next time, my name's Wild, and making sure you become bigger and better with Melon. As always, take care, and of course, peace.